Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Baden, local and long-distance movers near me. If your new destination is miles away, 3 Movers can still easily move your belongings. With 3 Movers, you can ensure that your movables are safe with us in the long journey as they are packed in protected packaging. We suggest you reach out to us 4 weeks earlier if it's a long-distance move. Requesting a moving quote is free so that you can ask questions freely about our services. We will do it for you if you want us to handle the whole process from beginning to end. We will also do the packing, loading, unloading, and unpacking in your new home. It can also be difficult to justify hiring a moving company in Baden to move just a few blocks away. But when you look at the numbers, the benefits of hiring a moving company outweigh the cons. Not only do you have the experience of shifting, but also you lack the resources to shift your belongings safely to your new home. A professional team of movers like 3 Movers would streamline the whole moving process and get you moved into your new home in no time. While others may take 2 to 3 days, we can do it in just a few hours. But of course, we also ensure that we will safely shift your items to your new home. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Baden moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.